Get all that dude on me, dude.
Holy shit.
I believe in honesty, so honestly, your simple problems never bother me. Putting in this overtime, I'm about my worth, watching my words, never waste a breath on earth. Watch my words, never waste a breath on earth. Watch my words, never waste a breath on earth.
You don't even want to touch it.
We'll have to pick through all these parts and see what we're going to keep and what we're not. There's just a shift knob.
Some good head gaskets.
Yeah, they are. Those are Cometics. I wouldn't be surprised if we run across a rat. What the fuck is that? Uh-oh. Who remembers that?
TDK so real.
I wonder if any of this shit would play. No, that's fucked up. Oh God, look at this. Torque boxes. Holy sh. Guess we'll just keep going. They make reinforcements and you can fix that, so. Makeup case. There's the clutch pedal. So I mean we could always reuse that. Hey, there's your shift boot, Andrew.
I could use that.
Yeah, just clean it up, it's good. This is fucking horrible.
We're gonna get mesothelioma.
As silly as it seems, some of these parts can be saved, so, well, you know what? This car used to have gray interior. So they either swapped it or this is painted, which that kind of looks painted actually. Okay. All right. Time out. I think we just found a major problem. Major.
Oh.
Well, shit, guys. Okay, so guys, this isn't good. I knew that the passenger side rear floor pan was rusted out in the car. I did know that, so I wasn't too worried about it. Then we get into the car and all the junk was covering up the torque boxes, and obviously the car's been ripped right here, which isn't that big of a deal. All this can be fixed, but this is guys, this is pretty major. We may have to do some rethinking on this. I know you're thinking, well, why didn't you look up under the car prior to getting it over here? And actually I did. I looked at the car, but somehow I missed that. I guess because it's up in the corner of the car, I missed that big hole. How I missed it, I don't know. I guess because there was shit stuffed in it. But that is a major issue. I'll tell you what, this is what we're gonna do. We've already started the process. It's not looking good. I'm just gonna be honest with you. This thing's on life support right now, and we may have to pull the plug on it. But I will say this, you know, it needs to be cleaned out anyway, so we'll go ahead finish getting everything out, and remove the carpet out of the car, clean it up, and we'll just see what we got. I'm not going to call it quits just yet, but as of right now, it's not looking too good.
A few moments later.
What do we do?
Push it outside the garage and put it in the grass right there until we can get a car trailer over here to put it back in the personal junkyard.
Can we pull it out here and just set it on fire?
That'd be cool.
That would be cool.
Best idea yet, actually.
I'll say this. Obviously, this car, we're not doing anything with it. I may sell it as a parts car because, I mean, it does have some glass that's good in it, some quarter windows, the hatch. I mean, it's still got some decent parts on it. The rear end's still good, K-member and whatnot. So I may sell it as a parts car just to get it out of the way. I think what I might do is just try to find a cheap Fox body somewhere at some point and just try to pick one up. Something that needs a little TLC, and maybe do the dash swap in that. Maybe not. All right, so we've decided to just put the parts back in the car, cut our losses, live to fight another day. So, like, we're just gonna stick everything back in here, and you know, we may keep the car, we may use it as a parts car in case I pick up another Fox. You know, little things like this can still be reused, obviously cleaned up and reused, I guess. Well, scratch that panel to hell. There's not many good parts, but there are
at least 3.
Yeah, there's at least 3 good parts, so just gonna put the shit in there. That's fine. Put that in there. Hey, Andrew, look, there's your shifter boot. I'm not saving this for the boot itself, obviously, but for this outer ring. That's the reason why I'm saving it. You'd be surprised, you know, when you get something that's a complete piece of shit and you find something like that. I mean, that's a jewel. That's a diamond in the rough, guys. I think we should probably keep the carpet. You need a new carpet?
No.
That piece is still good.
I like how we're all digging around the carpet that way
Yeah.
the other person can move it.
Yeah, nobody wants to get the fucking carpet out of the way. Yay, that's awesome. Trim piece. Clutch arm cover. Well, I tell you what, guys,
Why is that wet?
if you're in the market for a really nice Fox body, let me know. I have one for sale. If you're in the local area and you're willing to come pick it up, you know, we'll probably let it go for about, what, $350?
Yeah, at least.
I need about $350.
Hold on, we gotta have that. What do we got down here? Let's see. Here we go. The Eagles, no freaking way. I can't believe we found a cassette tape in a Fox body of the Eagles. To the burn pile we go. I'm thinking to myself, how in the hell did I miss this? I don't know how I missed it. I knew it was rusted out, but the main problem is going to be back here in the back. That's just it's more than I want to deal with. I should have known better. The torque boxes are ripped up. The car is basically split all the way down. This is ridiculous. So anyway, hey, no big deal. Look, we don't have any money in the car. You live and you learn. I got to spend some time with Andrew. We had fun doing this. I think that's going to wrap up the Fox body resurrection. It's just nothing that I can do with this. I don't want to deal with it.
It ain't worth it.
It's not worth it. I should have known better. Hey, you know what? You live and you learn. Besides, it was fun though. You know, we pulled it back over from Georgia. You guys saw it in the video. You wanted me to do something with it, so we did. I basically took a gamble on the car. We loaded it up. My brother brought it to me, and I probably could have looked at the car a little better, but I really just wanted it to be a surprise. I figured that it would be in better shape. But it was a surprise, all right, in the wrong way. So we found out why I couldn't see the big ass hole in the floorboard. That's why. It was still attached to the carpet.
That's nasty.
It's a hard knock.